Hi, this is Ajay Jangid in this video and you are watching Jogi and You. Friends, today I'm back again with a nested radical problem in which we have two questions. And the first question is root 4 minus 2 root 3 and the second question is root 220 minus 30 root 35. In these type of questions, the small digits question are easy to solve but the big digits question is a little bit difficult to solve. No worries, we are here to help you. So first of all, took the first question which is root 4 minus 2 root 3. By the way, exams are coming and this time Unacademy is back with Revisathon 2.0 and it is even bigger than before. Revisathon 2.0 is a 5-day event for learners of class 9 to 12th to revisit all the important topics, so get set for your final and board exams. Our top educators are already preparing themselves to help you revisit all important concepts in 5 power pack season for each subjects from 16th of January to 20th of January. So get ready to attend this absolutely free event which is open for all. All you need to do is just visit our landing page to enroll in all the seasons. All the links are given below in the description. Just go and win the world. Now let's come back to our current question. So the first question is this, and for that I'm telling you a simple method. Just follow that method. So the problem we got with the sign of nested radical and a root under the root in the form of 2 root 3. So we have to factor 2 root 3 but in that way in which the 2 is compulsory. And keeping 2 aside, we have to factor rest number in 2 parts. I mean root 3. So in how many ways we can factor this root 3? Only root 3 multiply by 1? No more possibilities? So our factor will 2 root 3 multiply by 1. That's all we have to do because the numbers are small. If the numbers were big, then we have to factor this in so many parts and it will become more complicated. Just like if we talk about 12, so 12 means 2 multiply by 6, first pair, 4 multiply by 3, the second pair, and after that we can make one more pair, 12 multiply by 1. So we have 3 pairs of 12 after factorization. But how will we know that how to take breakthrough of factorization? So we have a trick for that also, and the trick is the pairs we got after factorization of this factor root 3 multiply 1. So if sum of square of these numbers should be 4. So let's see how it works. So the square of root 3 is 3 and the square of 1 is 1. So if we do the sum of both these, we got 4 as per our trick. I mean the sum of square of both these numbers is 4. So our factors we chosen are right. But for the second question, this trick help us a lot. So for now see this. The factor we choose were root 3 multiply by 1. Right, 4 or 3 plus 1 is same. So I'm converting this in the form of 3 plus 1. And now just rearrange these 3 and 1. This 3 was the square of root 3 and this 1 was our square of 1. So let's convert these. So practically the expression we got is just like this. Now just look at here carefully. This design seems like a formula which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the right side of this formula is a minus b the whole square. So it's a formula of a minus b the whole square. So what we have on the place of a and b, root 3 on the place of a and 1 on the place of b. So just apply this formula here and what we got? We got root 3 minus 1 the whole square under the root. So this is the only important thing we want. So wipe out the rest. So you see, if we cut this under root with the square, then we know the result will be in plus and minus. But there is a thing that no teachers will say you is that if we took root of x square, x means a unknown variable, then our result will plus minus. But here root 3 minus 1 is a fixed number, a fixed value. So it's a single thing, not a square. So we solve it and by the definition we will use positive value. And that's a mathematical proven fact. And the origin of this result is this, root 4 minus 2 root 3. So practically we got our answer, but if we want to calculate the answer in exact value, then find the value of root 3 which is 1.732050 and minus 1. And after subtracting, we have this 0.732050 dot 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 till infinite. Did you see how we solve it? The question was so easy, so we solve it easily. But I will also solve a question and show you that how to solve big digits question. But before that, if any of you who wants to write down the question can write down by pausing the video. And for others, our next question is root 220 minus 30 root 35. And for solving this, let's make some space. So as usual, it's a nested radical problem because we have two time roots, root under the root. So firstly, we have factorized this small root, this 35. And how to factor this? So we factor 30 and root 35. These are the factor of 30. 2 multiply 3 multiply 5, which is 30. And 35's factor are root 5 multiplied by root 7. That was root 35. So that's why these are also in the root. So practically, the calculation of these is root 35. So our method was 2 is compulsory. So forgot this 2. Now we have 3 multiply 5 multiply root 5 multiply root 7. So how to make the pairs of these? We can make a pair of 3 and 5 and a pair of root 5 and root 7. We will square them and we'll do the sum. And if the sum is 220, then our chosen pair will be right. Or if we make a pair of 3 and root 5 and a pair of 5 and root 7 and we'll do the same process, if the sum is 220, then we will move forward. You guys keep trying, but I have already did it. So directly making the pairs which is 5 root 7 and 3 root 5. So the square of 5 root 7 is 175 and the square of 3 root 5 is 45 and the sum is 220. So our condition has fulfilled. So we will replace this pair on the place of 220, 175 plus 45. So let's just rearrange it and transfer 45 to the right side. So we have 175 in the left and 45 in the right side in this form. So 175 was the square of this 5 root 7 and 45 was the square of 3 root 5. So I applied this squaring here. So the form we have here is something like this: a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the right side of this form is a minus b the whole square, which is a square formula. So just apply this formula in this and we get 5 root 7 minus 3 root 5 the whole square under the root. So this is the only thing we want to calculate. So let's just wipe out the rest. Square will cancel with root and we only take positive sign here. We don't take any plus and minus. Why? Because I told you the reason before. You can rewind the video if you want to see. So after cancelling square by root, we got 5 root 7 minus 3 root 5. And this is the value of our question, which is this. This answer is enough until the question's language won't tell you to find the accurate value of this. But if you want to calculate it more, then find the value of first portion, which is 5 root 7 and the value is 13.22875 dot dot dot. Calculate the value of root 7 and multiply it with 5. Then calculate the value of right side, which is 6.70820. And after subtracting, we get 6.52055 dot 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 till infinite. And this value is irrational because root 7 and root 5 both are irrational numbers. And their decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating. So friends, if any of you who wants to write down the question can write down by pausing the video. So, if you like my videos, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any such more videos. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.